is the result of the related studies that we have last 2021 regarding same title as we have. I think it's correlation then, naging resulta. Correlation between first-time voters practices develop knowledge of first-time voters 18 to 23. Who's in charge of our
Study po is mainly, ano po ba, mainly yung study niya po is about kung ano po yung nakaka-influence po dun sa mga 18 to 23 po first-time voters. Kung saan po nakita po nila dun na parang ang pinaka-nakakapag-influence po sa mga voters po ngayon is yun po yung nasa yung mga nasa online platform.
Okay.
So dun po parang yung po yung nagiging base po nila sa kanilang political awareness. Parang doon po sila nakakakuha ng mga knowledge. So, ayun.
So,